You sometimes hear people describe our political divide in America as between the religious and the secular. But that's not really true. Everyone in this country has a religion. The question is whether you worship God or whether you worship yourself. Those are America's two competing faiths. And Washington, D.C. is the capital of the latter sect. D.C. is the Rome of spiritual narcissism. In Washington, human power is worshipped as the living God. You'll see temples to human power throughout the city, as well as smaller shrines to its saints. The latest holy man to be beatified there is a diminutive federal bureaucrat called Tony Fauci. Fauci is the high priest of the COVID cult. A paper mask is his sacred garment. Cable television is his pulpit. The people of Washington bow before Father Fauci. They throw their Patagonia fleeces before him to ease his way as he passes like palm fronds in the streets of Jerusalem. They consider him holy. Now the city's mayor, Muriel Bowser, has made it official. Bowser has declared December 24th, formerly the date of a notable Christian holiday, as Dr. Anthony S. Fauci Day. In the streets, St. Tony's many acolytes greeted the news with joy and exultation. A holy day indeed. And they tell you the secular world isn't reverent. It certainly is. We should tell you, by the way, that per St. Tony's commandments, each one of the people you just saw at the end went back to their apartments alone and spent the night watching Netflix with their cats and eating Ben and Jerry's in solitude. Because theirs is a monkish religion.